Hey, hello people of the internet, my name is Jay and this is Awesomeness Hardware. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install your case fans in your Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 5. The first thing you have to do is unscrew your thumb screws which fasten the side panel to the case. So you just want to take these off. Mine are just tightened by hand. So once you get the side panel off, you're going to want to put it somewhere safe. Now you have access to your rear fan. I am going to be replacing this one with another one of these fans I got on eBay, which are like $3 for one. They're supposed to be good, so we're going to test that as well. You also want to go ahead and take off the front panel by just holding the bottom securely and just pulling it out. Yeah, just pull it out and it should pop right out. Now you have access to like behind the front panel where you will be putting your case fans. So let's go ahead onto the rear of the case. To the rear of the case, you're going to see 4 screws to take off this rear fan if you're replacing it, and you're going to unscrew it using a normal screwdriver. So now you have removed your rear case fan. The Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 5 does not come with enough screws like this or the self-tapping screws which come in the box like this. They don't come in enough. It's only enough for 3 of the fans, but I actually have 4 of the fans which the case does support, but they don't give enough. So I'm going to ahead and rationalize and use 1 screw for each fan just to hold it at the top to keep it in place, and then use one of these self-tapping screws on the other side. When I'm going to install my fans, I am going to remove these little logos right here because they don't look good, especially in the back of the case. This does not look good. Having something blue in an all red and black build does not look good. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that simply by peeling it off. Look at the difference between this and this. Look at the difference. This looks way better, doesn't it? So now you're going to want to go ahead and get this part screws from the case. They come with the case, and you want to get the H screws, which are these right here, the longer ones like this. And you also want to go ahead and use one of these when you're fastening it. I'm going to take the bigger one and one smaller one. Take the bigger one and put it in this hole right here like this. You put it in the hole like that, and then put the other piece of it in, and it should tap right in place. You're going to take your screwdriver and fasten it in place. Make sure it's straight and does not screw in crooked. You can also place it right in the middle if you're putting it in the rear. Make sure it's this way. Simple. Make sure this is fastened, and that's it for the rear. Your choice where you want to run this cable. You're going to do the same thing for the front. Take the big one or smaller one. Go ahead and put the big one in. You put the big one in like this. You're going to ahead and put it at the back. And you're going to make sure that it does not fall out. So you put it in front near the holes which you want, which should light up right at the top. You just put it in on the back. Now you're going to want to go ahead on the inside of the case and screw it in. Make sure this is in line with the hole in the back. And you're going to take your self-tapper and just put it in. Then you're going to go ahead and screw it from the inside because you want your build to look clean, so you won't have this bar showing in front of your fans. Now you have finished installing your 4 120mm case fans. Now this install required a little bit of rationalization. You guys do not have to do that. You can just go ahead on the internet and try to find some extra screws to securely fasten your fan, but it doesn't bother me. And since this is a budget build, this is a long-term budget build, it doesn't really matter. So this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is only my 2nd video on this channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed the 2 videos that I already have. My first video was a review on the case, so I'm going to link that down in the description as well. I'm also going to put it in the card right around here or something like that. But thank you guys for watching. This is Awesomeness Hardware signing out, and don't forget to subscribe.